Hello, everybody, you're watching Tech It Simple YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log out from your Trust Wallet. So there's two ways to log out from your Trust Wallet. And this is the only two way which you guys can apply in order to log out from your Trust Wallet. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech It Simple, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any questions again, feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer it, guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. First step, Cross Wallet is a digital crypto storing wallet where it guys can store your crypto, NFTs and many more other stuff. So you need to keep that in mind. And remember, anything which we teach you in this video is just for educational purpose. We don't promote Trust Wallet, or we don't promote you to use Trust Wallet. If you use Trust Wallet and lose your crypto or lose your funds or get hacked or anything happens, we are not liable for that. You are liable for that. This video is just for educational purpose. So any loss you get from Trust, while there are any problems we get, it's not responsible for us. It's your own responsibility. So just keep that in mind. Alright? So let me show you guys how you guys can log out from it. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Let's move on. First step, you go on setting. Over here you go. And while it's over here, and you click on these three dots over here, and you click on this dustman looking icon at the top, and click on OK. And your wallet is deleted. Just enter your passcode. So let me enter my passcode. After entering your passcode, your wallet is done. It's not deleted, it's just removed from your phone. Alright, so just don't worry. Don't think like, oh no, my wallet got deleted, all my crypto funds stored in it is lost. Don't worry. It's just removed. It's basically like logging out. That's one way to do it. And the other way to do it is just delete it or swat it and reinstalled again, and it's basically going to remove everything that's on your wallet and you need to re-log in into your account again. That's another way of logging out of your Trust Wallet which most people use commonly, right, because they don't know this trick also exists. So anyway, that's how we guys can log out from a Trust Wallet. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye then.